Tips on how to properly deal with arthritis. Arthritis is a common condition which affects the joints, bones, and digits and makes them difficult to move without causing pain. While it typically appears during late adulthood, it can strike people of all ages, even children. The arthritis tips and tricks in this video may make it easier for you to understand and cope with the condition. Arthritis is becoming more and more common. If you notice that you have pain, swelling, or stiffness around your joints, it is important that you see your doctor right away. This could be a sign of arthritis, and if that is the case, you want treatment to begin as soon as possible. Make sure, you also, ask your doctor what kind of arthritis it is. This will be helpful when getting the proper treatment. Keeping an arthritis journal can actually help you control your symptoms. Each time your arthritis is bothering you, write about what you do that day in your journal. This way, you can start to see a pattern as to what is causing your arthritis pain so you can slow down on that activity. If you are a woman who suffers from arthritis in your back, you may want to think about changing what bras you wear. Believe it or not, certain bras can make your arthritis worse by putting pressure on your back. There are actually bras that are made just for women with arthritis. Relaxing music can be used to relieve certain symptoms of arthritis. This genre of music enables your body to relax, thereby easing some of the discomfort and pains associated with arthritis. Soothing music can also help you go to sleep if you have been unable to due to your arthritis. Budget your energy wisely. If you know you will have an important task to take care of later in the day, be sure to remind yourself not to get too tired beforehand. Knowing how you are going to expend your energy during the day can help to make sure you get the things most important to you finished. When properly managed, you can greatly reduce the uncomfortable signs and symptoms that are associated with arthritic conditions. Although there is no cure for the disease, the advice in this video is sure to offer insight into the various options for treating or eliminating the pain, aches, and soreness that is caused by arthritis. Would you like to discover the arthritis breakthrough your doctor won't tell you about? Visit secretarthritishack.com to learn more. Uncover one cheap ingredient, found in every supermarket, proved to improve arthritis 48%. Visit secretarthritishack.com to learn all of this and more. Link in the description.